putting on bird netting. Pretty self-explanatory. Keeps the birds from eating the grapes. If you go down to the end of the row a couple spots, you can see where the birds have already been eaten. And they've wiped out, like eating a couple entire vines, eating all the grapes off of them because they're just sitting there looking delicious.
Is there any place in Scripture that talks about something having to do with birds?
The sower with the seeds and the birds came and ate them all up.
The birds came and ate them all up. You know, being a farmer, it's very closely related to being a pastor, or a farmer is also called like a husbandman, right? So you're there to plant, to grow, and to protect what you're growing, right? And so in this case, we're protecting it from the birds. And so as a farmer, we put everything into the fruit, and we spend a tremendous amount of time. You know, look at, I mean, even the trellis system. I mean, we put time and money and everything for the birds just to then come and eat up your crops. I mean, that's pretty depressing. Yeah. So I was thinking about the sower and the seed. As a pastor slash husbandman, what can we do to protect the fruit, if you will, from going out there?
You understand what is valuable to you and to the Father, and you understand who it's for, so you're able to identify your enemy.
Yeah, so the enemy wants to come and steal even the fruit, or the enemy wants to come and attack. Birds are nice. We like birds, right?
Most birds.
But in the relations to our crop, they're kind of the enemy, because they come in and they steal what we have been trying to grow and things like that. So even in our own lives, we know what good fruit is. We know the fruit that is there. We like it. We want to keep it. We don't want to let it go away. So we have to protect our fruit that we do have.